Isabanya is not just a bench. It is a monument for the community, a structure for people to bond and unite regardless of status, age, and race through sitting and interacting. It makes the overall experience of a public space richer by being a meaningful and homogeneous, timeless piece of public furniture. It takes its name from a Kinyarwanda term, gusabanya, referring to a social interaction promoted at a certain convergence point between people who knew each other well before and those meeting for the first time. Our design is in harmony with existing street furniture, while it provides access to a safe, inclusive, and accessible space for the community. The design is made for comfort and protects users from unfavorable weather. The city of Kigali excels in green growth, as it is one of the cleanest and safest capitals on the continent. This bench is an opportunity to take advantage of Kigali's public spaces and its streetscape to make a place that locals and foreigners go to practice gusabanya instead of merely passing through. Drawing inspiration from a diverse population, different structures built on varying altitudes, the design refers to a hand as a vital tool of Rwanda's government protecting the community against injuries, hazardous conditions, for it to gain from their complementary, appropriate engine of development.